Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Charger Daytona. The Dodge Charger Daytona is an upcoming all-electric muscle car that blends classic performance with modern electric technology. Featuring aggressive styling, powerful electric drivetrains, and high-performance capabilities, it aims to deliver a thrilling driving experience while embracing a new era of sustainable power. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, navigation system, Bluetooth. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.